Welcome. In front of me is an iQOO Neo 7, and today I will show you how you can go through the setup process of this device. So, when you boot it up for the first time, you should be presented with this screen right over here, and you want to start off by clicking right over here and selecting your desired language. From there we can get started with Orion OS, which presents us with agreement and service notice. So you just have to select that you agree. You can tap on view details to read exactly what you're agreeing to, but if you're like basically every one of us, you're never going to read a single word or even letter of this agreement. Next, you can connect to network. This step is optional and you don't actually need to do this, so I'll be skipping it. We can then select a screen lock. We have several different things that we can choose from: fingerprint, face recognition, and under password we have PIN, pattern, or password. There are 3 options there. Now for the fingerprint and face recognition, as these are biometrics, you will always be required to select PIN, pattern, or password because biometrics aren't 100% reliable, and the times where they both fail to unlock your device for some inexplicable reason, you'll be left with an option that isn't prone to failure for no reason. Alternatively, you don't need to protect your device at all, but this is your phone and it stores all your personal data, so it would be very beneficial if you actually protect it. I'll be skipping it nonetheless. Next, we have a sign in to Vivo account. You can provide your phone number. This step is optional. Again, you don't need to do this. We can select no Vivo account, and then we can select a sign in later in settings right here, or you can also register an account. And select not now. Service recommendations. Go over these. We have some join user experience improvement plans. That just sounds like data gathering. Smart upgrade. This is just automatic updates if I'm not mistaken. Automatically download updates packages over Wi-Fi. Carrier service, location, unknown number, online identification. You can go over all of this and see if you want it or not. Next, we have import data. So here you can import data from your old phone to this one seamlessly using their own proprietary application that you just download on your old device, and then create a hotspot between these 2 phones, and you can choose what kind of data will be transferred over, and this will be relatively fast and give you very good versatility in terms of what you can move over. Now we also have option to, I believe, import it through cloud, through Vivo if you have it there, or Vivo Cloud right here, and Vivo phones, tablets. Okay, so this is directly from other Vivo devices. This is from the cloud, and here you have the 2 options for the application that I mentioned. Now I'm going to be skipping this. This allows me to set up the device as new, and now I can select system and navigation. So we have full screen gesture, classic 3. This is almost like the buttons, but with a swipe up instead of press of a button. And here you have the actual buttons. Choose whichever one you want. I personally just like the full screen gestures. These are the most normal gestures that you will see. And we can then select go to Origin OS. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.